of Mugabe as goodwill, who envoy shocks, baffles. Geneva, Reuters. The appointment of Zimbabwe's President Robert Mugabe as a goodwill ambassador of the World Health Organization, WHO, has been denounced by human rights groups. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus announced the appointment at a high-level meeting on non-communicable diseases, NCDs, in Uruguay on Wednesday. The meeting was attended by Mugabe, 93. He is blamed in the West for destroying his country's economy and numerous human rights abuses during his 37 years leading the country as either president or prime minister. In a speech, Tedros praised Zimbabwe as a country that places universal health coverage and health promotion at the center of its policies to provide health care to all. The former Ethiopian health and foreign minister, who was elected last May as WHO's first African Director General, added, "Today I am also honored to announce that President Mugabe has agreed to serve as a goodwill ambassador on NCDs for Africa, to influence his peers in his region to prioritize NCDs." Ian Levine, Deputy Executive Director for Programs at Human Rights Watch, said on Twitter, given Mugabe's appalling human rights record, calling him a goodwill ambassador for anything embarrasses WHO and Dr. Tedros. WHO's spokesman Christian Lindmeier said the WHO chief was seeking broad support for the agency's work. Tedros has frequently talked of his determination to build a global movement to promote high-level political leadership for health, he said via email. Hilo Nuer, executive director of the Geneva-based group UN Watch, issued a statement late on Friday criticizing the choice by WHO, a United Nations agency. The government of Robert Mugabe has brutalized human rights activists, crushed democracy dissidents, and turned the breadbasket of Africa and its health system into a basket case. The notion that the UN should now spin this country as a great supporter of health is, frankly, sickening, Nuer said. He noted that Mugabe himself had traveled to Singapore for medical treatment 3 times this year, rather than in his homeland. Western diplomats also voiced surprise at the appointment and said they were unaware of the decision-making structure behind it. Reporting and writing by Stephanie Nabahay. Additional reporting by Ben Hersher in London. Editing by Jeremy Gaunt.